It is I beg to mention item number 1 with 2.
1 and 2.
Lordship.
Okay, what happened?
Lordship, that
That's 2019 appeals.
Lordship, only a small accommodation only for today, Lordship. The assisting counsel wasn't there. The case couldn't be prepared with the senior Lordship.
Okay, it stated that Ms. Jane Saiwala, senior counsel, appearing for the appellant, is not. A request is made to adjourn the matters on behalf of Mr. Jane Saiwala, the senior counsel representing the appellant in both these appeals. Appellants in both these appeals. What do you say, sir? Any objection?
I have no objection.
The other side has no objection. List up to 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Shetty.
Lordship, today's item number 4, my lord. There was a direction to consider my case, my lord, and the 6 months time was given, my lord. That 6 month time already been lapsed, my lord. Now, probably whether that has been considered or not, I do not know. I have no information, my lord.
Okay.
Can it be taken after 4 weeks, my lord?
Mr. Chetri submit that he needs some time to complete his instructions from the complete his instructions. List up 4 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged.
Item number 12 to 26 is a series matter, my lord.
12 to 26.
12 to 26. There, my lord, the Union of India has filed an affidavit. We are required to file a rejoinder, my lord. But for the rejoinder, I need 1 week at a time.
Mr. Nath submits that the state government is required, appellant state government is needs to file an affidavit in rejoinder to the affidavit filed on behalf of the Union of India in all these appeals. The place for is granted 4 weeks time to do the needful. Their interim order shall continue.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32. Lordship, may kindly adjourn the matter as the engaged counsel expired on 22nd October.
Okay. It is stated, who is the counsel?
N. Ahmed.
It is stated that the engaged counsel, Mr. M. Ahmed.
N. Ahmed.
N. Ahmed has passed away, and thus some time is needed so that the appellant can make arrangement of another counsel to argue the appeal. List up to 4 weeks as prayed.
Okay.
May it please your lordship, item number 38. I've
Yes.
taken the consent of the petitioner lordship. This matter may be adjourned for 3 weeks.
MS Soncho. Appearing for the respondent number 4, 5, 6, 7.
4567
4,
lordship.
5, and 6, 7. Submits that she needs some time to complete her instructions. The petitioner's counsel does not object. List on. Do you need a date or simply
Any date, lordship.
list on 13th December?
Possible.
Much obliged, lordship.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention for listing the writ appeal and thereafter tomorrow, my lord.
What is the date of the order?
Date of the order, my lord, 15th of September. It is filed on in time.
All right.
Due to,
Listed in the regular list whenever.
yes, 10th of month.
It will come up in the regular list.
Yes.
May I please, lordship, I have mentioned for my listing for PI tomorrow, my lord. The matter pertain to discrimination to the women, my lord. Discrimination goes to the women, my lord.
Women.
Yes, my lord.
Who says that there is discrimination? Do you feel?
Lordship, one issue is there, my lord, a very important issue. Lordship, kindly list it tomorrow, my lord.
Oh. You know, Mr. Counsel, the charity begins at home. So first think of doing away with that discrimination in the home. Anyhow, get it listed tomorrow.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 39 and 40 on behalf of MS N. Soikia, my lord. She is unwell today, my lord.
It is
So
stated
these
that
two
the
matters
counsel,
may come
MS N.
after.
Saikia, is unwell. Request is made to adjourn the matters on our behalf. The
One
other
week.
side,
My lord, she has already informed
the other side has been informed and does not have any objection. List up to 3 weeks as prayed.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I request to mention a fresh listing of a read appeal on Friday, that is on 10th of.
What is the matter about?
It's a matter related to eviction, my lords,
Okay, what is the date of the single bench order?
on 3rd October 2023.
All right, Friday.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship, may I pray for the listing of this matter on 15th, your lordship?
What is the matter, sir?
Your lordship, this is a PIL we have filed challenging the third board accord which was signed by the Union of India, State of Assam with the some.
Is it a fresh matter or it's a pending
No,
matter?
it's a pending matter.
Pending matter, then you move an application for early listing. Then we'll pass the order.
Your lordship, the matter was fixed for hearing in the month of November, therefore I prayed, your lordship.
So it's already fixed.
No, the date was not fixed, your lordship. So I
Okay.
prayed.
Find out what is the date and we'll direct listing accordingly.
Deeply.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 80 of the regular hearing list, my lord. There is a I in the, my lord, date
80.
88, my lord.
Eight.
Maybe, my lord, regular list may come my lord, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, my lord.
You're talking of the part 2 list.
My lord, hearing list 88. Because there is a I, my lord, without hearing the implement.
Get that IA listed in the next week, 15th on 15th. Let it come up on 15th.
My lord,
Have you given a request note?
my lord,
All right.
Daily list for orders, item 3.
May it please your lordship. Lord, this is with regard to demolition of house of the accused by using bulldozer. This honorable court was pleased to dispose of the matter. The government formed a committee, and on the last occasion, government come up with the stand that the committee is supposed to give its report by 31st of October. That's how the lordship fixed the matter today.
Yes, what is the report, Mr. Nag?
My lord, I have received the communication, my lord. The committee has already taken the statement of all the persons and all. And now, my lord, they are at this final stage, my lord. They said that within 3 weeks' time, they will finalize and the government will take the
It's
decision.
not senior government advocate has placed on record communication dated so and so, which indicates that the committee constituted to inquire into the matter. One-man committee
Yes.
constituted to inquire into the matter has concluded its hearings and 4 weeks' time has been sought for submission of the inquiry report. As prayed by Mr. Nath, list on 13 December so as to enable him to place the inquiry report on record.
My lord.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship's leave. I'd like to mention an item which was mentioned without informing us. Item number 12 to 15. Well, the question is that they wanted an adjournment, but since an interim order was in operation, we wanted that an early date may be fixed. Well, before we could come, they took
When
time.
will you be filing the affidavit?
Well, I prefer 1 for 10 days time.
10 days.
Because of the last occasion, they were supposed to file.
We know that. Re-notify on 23rd November then. All right, file it by
Lodge.
Item number 5.
In this matter, today morning an affidavit has been filed. I need some time to get instructions, my lord. This is with regard to the issuance of payslip of the judicial officers.
So most of the issues have been resolved, we suppose.
They said in their affidavit, but one small
All right.
accommodation so that I can confirm that.
Mr. H.K. Das, appearing for the High Court, submits that he has received an affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents today morning and needs some time to study the same and file a response thereto if so required.
My lord,
List after 2 weeks.
my lord. Highly.
Item number 6.
6, my lord, we had filed an affidavit indicating compliance of the
What do you say, madam?
directions, my lord.
We want to file a reply, lordship. They have not complied on Honorable Court order.
Mr. Gogoi submit that he has already filed the affidavit indicating compliance of the order under contempt, and counsel for the petitioner controverts this submission and urges that she is desirous of filing an affidavit in reply. The needful be done within 4 weeks, less thereafter.
Okay.
Item number 7 and 8.
Please, your lordship, respondent number 5 service is completed through justice service, lordship. I have filed affidavit, lordship.
Anyone appearing for this phone number 5? No one.
Respondent number 5 is the lordship.
Headmaster.
Yes, lordship.
All right. And counsel for the appellant has filed affidavit of justice service upon the respondent number 5. What is the IA about?
I have for delay condonation, lordship.
How much is the delay?
93 days delay.
How many?
93 days delay.
Any other, any objection? The IA seeking condonation of delay is accepted. Let the connected writ appeal be numbered and listed for admission.
And lordship, item number 8, lordship, there is 102 days delay, lordship.
102.
Yes, lordship.
Therein
Service-
also service is complete.
Yes, lordship.
Item number 8 also. Delay करनो service check कर लीजिए एक बार. और Mr. Das has appeared for all respondents.
Yes, lordship.
All right.
They are dated 23 August.
Delay करनो.
Item number 9.
You oblige.
Make will lordship, my lord. I filed an application for getting the interim order, my lord, as well as lordships.
All right. Where is the interim order, sir?
My lord, interim order is dated 24/8/2023, my lord.
24/8.
Yes.
Let's see. Where is the order? You have annexed the order in your application? Have you annexed the order in your application? Yes.
Yes, 24, my lord.
Page 23, please. 24.
Yes, 24.
Yes. Order dated 24/8.
Yes.
Yes.
Here, what my lord, the petitioner, the applicant here, my lord, who was here as a respondent in the petition, was transferred from Itanagar to Lomding. Then he joined.
We have stayed on the reason, on the ground that there are only 10 months left in service.
Yes, that is the reason.
Yes, then.
But it is better for the government to explain within 10 months why he was.
So the government, has the government filed an affidavit?
I was released, I joined there, but I'm hanging now.
Hanging. He should be sent back to the original place after the stay.
No.
Why has he not been sent back?
Lordship, we will be needing 10 days time, Lordship, to
No,
file.
no, matter comes up for orders on interlocutory application. File on behalf of the respondent number so and so in the appeal, seeking vacation of the interim stay order. Then counsel Mr. Sharma appearing for the applicant submits that the submits that his client had joined on the post of joined in the HW zone of Itanagar. Has joined as
Executive engineer, civil, my lord.
executive engineer civil Longding in pursuance of the order dated 19/24/2023.
Yes.
However, owing to the stay passed by this court on 24/8/2023, his client is in a state of uncertainty as he is not being allowed to hold any of the posts. Learn Government Counsel to clarify the situation by filing an affidavit of the officer concerned. List on 28 November. Interim order shall continue till then.
But he was previously holding the post of executive engineer HW zone Itanagar.
So from there he was transferred.
From there he was transferred. So normally he should have been.
He should
allowed
have
to
been
be
sent back.
posted.
He
Yes.
should have been. That's what we are.
Accepted by the state.
That's what we are asking.
Yes. Highly obliged.
Item number 10.
Pleases your lordship. My lord, this is an IA, my lord, for continuation of delay in preferring the writ appeal. This matter has transferred from the High Court of Manipur, my lord.
Okay,
So at this stage, my lord, notice may be issued.
notice has to issue notice of the IA to the respondents. Steps for service be taken within 7 days whereafter process issued. In all matters,
11.
10 and 11 both.
9 and 10 and 11 both.
10 and 11 both. Notice of IA only, IA for condonation.
Obligement.
Item number 27.
Well, my telephonic instruction is that they have been given the MSCP benefit. My lord. The lordship has directed us to obtain the instruction whether they have been given the time scale benefit or not.
Time
My-
scale,
Lord,
okay, selection
my-
grade, yes.
Yes, selection grade. My, my telephonic instruction is
They have not been.
they have been given. But the written instruction is required, my lord, because
They have been given or they have not been
they have
given?
been given.
Have been given. Okay,
My instruction is that, my lord, they have not been given, my lord.
so let him file a
Let
written
the written instruction come, my lord.
response, Mr. Nath.
Or no.
Submit that he has been informed telephonically that the appellants herein have been given benefit of selection grade cell / time scale. However, he needs some time to place the written response on record.
Lordship.
This submission is controverted by the counsel representing the appellant. It's not shall file a written an affidavit of the officer concerned to fortify the assertion made in this court. List on 7th December.
Obligement.
Appellants कर दीजिएगा. There are more than one.
Item 28.
Let this matter come up for disposal and for final disposal, my lord, because.
We'll admit it then.
Yes, my lord.
List it for hearing.
It may be fixed, my lord, kindly.
Yeah,
because,
we'll fix it for hearing.
Lordship.
The appeal is, writ appeal is admitted. The respondents are duly represented. Thus, notice need not be issued. Placed for hearing in the 3rd week of January 2012.
Can it be in December, my lord? After all, admission, my lord, nothing survives, then.
So then argue it.
I'm ready, my lord, but the learned AG is appealing for the other.
Learned Advocate General. List for hearing in 3rd week of December. Okay.
Obligement.
Item 29.
May pleases your lordship. The report of the academic committee has still not received your lordship. Still awaited your lordship. Kindly further 4 weeks time may be granted to us.
We are already given you 4 weeks time, madam.
Yes, your
On
lordship.
in September.
But
Now
your
we are in
lordship,
November.
We are awaited for academic committee report, your lordship.
What is the
Without-
issue involved?
Without
My
that,
lord,
your lordship, we could not able
equivalence
to-
Equivalence.
of the microbiology, my lord, with that.
So we will give them last opportunity.
Your
When
lordship
counsel-
kindly record it and.
Yes, we'll record it. And counsel for the respondent submits that till date, the report of the academic committee has not been received. We feel that ample opportunity has already been given to the respondents for producing the report aforestated. Thus, in the interest of justice, last opportunity is being granted for this part. List
Deeply
on 1st December.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 30.
They are supposed to file their detailed affairs directed by your.
Lordship, I have filed today.
File the
File affidavit today.
today.
Yes.
You not received a copy.
No, my lord.
No,
Pardon,
it is
my
served.
junior has been, or my
It is
colleague has
served.
been sub with.
It is
I'll
served.
go through them.
Then counsel for the respondent submit that he has
I have personally not received, my lord.
already filed the affidavit, has filed the affidavit in opposition today. The same be brought on record, re-notify on 22nd November, interim order shall continue.
Item number 31.
Which is the appeal by the revenue lordship on last occasion lordship heard the matter.
That
Yes. It is a jurisdiction of the High Court is 1 crore.
1 crore.
Yes.
And what is the valuation?
Here it is less than 1 crore.
1 crore. All right. Dispose of infructuous in view of the notification.
Item number 33 and 34.
Madam, in these two matters, the issue is that whether the contractual employees are entitled.
We have the record now.
My lord, we have record pertaining to one matter, but they're parameteria, my lord, the clauses.
So you place the contracts on record then? Copy of the contract may be placed on record? Is it on record already? No.
Yes, my lord, it is on record, my lord.
You have filed it?
Yes.
The contract?
Yes, my lord, yes.
Let's see.
Yes.
What is the contract?
Yes, my lord.
So you are against the termination of the engagement as a computer assistant?
Yes, my lord.
What is the ground?
My lord, the only issue is, my lord, that page impugned order is, my lord, page number 62, running page, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 62, running page, my lord. May I read, my lord, the order is small, one paragraph. In view of the serious anomaly noticed in the MIS MGN Rega for the financial year 14-15 regarding pending liability of material component of MGN Rega, and on the basis of statements submitted by the block development officer and program officers regarding freezing of material bills and in exercise of powers as incorporated in the terms of contractual engagement under MGN Rega, Ramchandra Pal, computer assistant, so and so hereby terminated. So, my lord, this order is, my lord, passed without affording, my lord, any opportunity of hearing, my lord. This is the only issue, my lord.
Mr. Kadir, question here is that your engagement was for a fixed tenure.
Yes.
Thereafter, there was no extension.
Yes, my lord.
So what is the right to continue?
My lord, kindly page number 59, my lord. The last engagement, my lord.
59.
Page number 59, my lord. There is no mention of any term, my lord. Page number 59, and it's a G of my additional affidavit. The term of contractual engagement is made on 2nd of April 17 and 14th of June, he has been terminated, my lord, after 2 months, my lord. Between district rural development. So this is the, my lord, number 2, my lord, terms, duration of contract. The engagement shall be purely on contract basis for the period as mentioned in the order for contractual engagement, unless terminated earlier. But there is no date is mentioned in the engagement order. So as per, my lord, this engagement is on 2nd of April, termination of 14th of June, my lord. After 2 months, my lord. My lord, the engagement order, I have the next page number 58.
Come to page para 11.
Para 11, my lord.
Yes.
Of the terms, my lord. Termination of contract. The agency reserves the right to terminate the contractual agreement at any point of time if it is found that the services rendered by the contractual staff is not satisfactory, or it is found that the declaration of information furnished by him proves to be false. Or
so not satisfactory. They say that your services are not satisfactory.
That is not mentioned in the order, my lord. Termination order.
Where is the order? Let us see.
Humble submission, my lord.
Order page number
62, my lord. It is a stigmatic order. My humble submission is there, my lord.
Contractual employee, it doesn't make any difference at all.
There is serious anomaly, my lord.
Yes. So that is the very reason services rendered not found satisfactory, because there were anomalies. That's all.
My lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, this order is a stigmatic order, and this honorable court, my lord, very recently, my lord, held in the similar situations, my lord, that a stigmatic order, my lord, cannot be, my lord, passed without affording any opportunity. My lord. I have placed the decisions, my lord, the recent decision, my lord, this honorable.
Other than this particular termination order, no specific allegations have been levied.
Attributed to the employee concerned. Yes.
Portions have been casted.
My lord,
What is morality or character or integrity?
I have placed, my lord, the this honorable court judgment of my lord, 1st of June, my lord. Ali Ahmad Bolboya, my lord. I have placed.
Let's see the judgment, please.
Yes, my lord.
Single bench judgment.
Yes, my lord. And other judgment also is there, my lord. That on the
Preliminary inquiry conducted So that was stigmatic. Here, no inquiry was conducted. They found that there were some irregularities, and so it was not viable or feasible to continue with their contractual employment. There is a distinction in the two judgments, apparent distinction.
My lord, in this case, my lord, also there is, my lord, allegations, my lord.
No allegation against the appellant herein. It's a general kind of observation
Yes.
that they have noticed some irregularities, so they want to refresh the things. That's all. So contractual employees can always be sent home. Nothing wrong, sir.
But my lord, this honorable court held, my lord, that such an order is stigmatic order, my lord, and cannot be
It
passed
is,
without
doesn't
opportunity.
reflect
my lord.
anything against you. All right, we'll give you one more breathing space.
My lord, this will only delay the matter, my lord.
Doesn't
This
matter.
Anomaly is.
You are not continuing them. What difference does it make?
My lord,
List of 4 weeks as per it.
obliged.
Item number 25.
Please, the Lord.
Matter election non-payment of balance contact money, my lord.
But I have received the written instruction from the DC, DC Morigaon. And the report of the executive engineer is also there. They said that because of non-availability of fund, it has not been given. Otherwise, they
So
admits-
his entitlement is not disputed.
They admits.
Then
The fund is to be given.
when you come out with the such proposal, how much period will you pay the amount?
Well, the fund is to be given by the revenue department. I am for the respondent number 1 and others. Respondent number 2 is. the
Who is
revenue
representing
department.
revenue,
Who is the
madam?
revenue, madam?
I'll obtain the updated instructions regarding payment.
All right, Land Counsel, Mr. Nath has placed on record the communication dated 4/11/2023, as per which, the entitlement of the appellant herein to receive the amount of rupees 39,46,179 under the construction contract in question has been admitted. However, the payment is not being made on the premise that fund has not been received from the government. Mr. Nath submits that the liability to transfer the fund is of the revenue department. Revenue,
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2, MS G. Bodloy, appearing for the department, N. Bodloy, appearing for the department, prays for short opportunity to complete her instructions. She shall also inform the officials concerned to not to delay the release of the funds, because it is apparent that the appellant has been deprived of his due payment without any justification whatsoever. Needful be done within next 4 weeks. All right, list on 12th December. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the officials concerned.
Item 36.
The communication is taken on record. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, we have received the reply of the RTA application, Your Lordship, and we have to file an affidavit regarding that.
And counsel for the appellant submits that they have received some documents pertaining to reply of the applications filed under the RTI Act, and that they are desirous of bringing the same on record. They pray for and are granted 4 weeks time to do the needful.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 37.
Your Lordship, in this matter, the payment has been made, Your Lordship.
Payment has been made.
Lordship,
May I kindly
whole
know-
payment has not been made, Lordship. Their Lordship awarded amount is 14,57,000, some amount, some rupees. But payment made, Lordship, 13,11,000, Lordship.
Lordship, the TDS has been deducted.
TDS deduction.
TDS, Lordship, the reason is stated in the second page, Your Lordship, may kindly turn over. The deduction of TDS from land compensation amount. So this is a.
Make a claim for refund of TDS.
Lordship, my humble submission is that.
Also, the last
Lordship,
page may be perused.
in
Your Lordship.
2013 Act, Lordship, in section 97, it is clearly mentions, Lordship.
What?
Lordship,
The TDS is not to be deducted.
yes, Lord, no tax liabilities there.
Lordship, it
Lordship,
is given 2016, the second page, your lordship.
Yes, we understand. But the act says no deduction towards
Ex-
tax.
Lordship, sentence is that, Lordship, exemptions from income tax, stamp duty and fees.
So TDS is income tax, madam. Need to tell your officers to update themselves on law. MS Bodloi has placed on record copy of the communication dated 2/11/23, as per which, the payment of rupees 14,57,124 has been made to the has been issued. Payment order to the tune of rupees so and so has been issued in the name of the appellant herein.
Yes, your lordship,
After deducting TDS
10%.
as per IT guideline by the order dated 27th January 2016. Then counsel for the petitioner has drawn the attention of the court to section
96 of 2013.
Act Dena. Section 96 of the Act of 2013, as per which, no income tax or stamp duty shall be levied on any award or agreement made under this act, except under section 46, and no person claiming under such award or agreement shall be liable to pay any fee for a copy of the same. It is not in dispute that the award under question does not fall within section 46 of the act. Thus, the authorities concerned are required to relook on the make a reconsideration on the aspect of TDS deducted from the compensation sanction in favor of the appellant. The needful exercise be completed within next 4 weeks. List on 13th December.
I'm obliged.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
That's all.